Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to connect a PS4 to a laptop using an HDMI cable. So the first method is wireless, which is recommended. Use PlayStation Remote Play. It's best for casual gaming, portability, zero hardware purchases. You also need Wi-Fi, Ethernet, PSN account, and a controller. But our video is about HDMI, so let's start. You need to buy the HDMI video capture, link it to your PlayStation, and then link the other HDMI output to the laptop. Now all you have to do is turn on your PlayStation and everything will be showing up on your laptop screen. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.